Come closer and burn. And burn. And burn. Mommy mechanics. And burn.
As he storms the floor, the maker comes knocking more. Knockback slams, mind control strikes. CC the ads, heal through spikes.
Interrupt domination, don't let him sway. Spread apart and stay in play. Focus the minions, then the giant. Through the furnace, we stay defiant. Step with caution, coordinate your mind. Heal through burst, keep your party inside. Debuffs cleared, positioning tight. Through furnace holes, we'll win this fight. We'll win this fight. Broguk floats, a monstrous eye. Poison clouds rise and linger high. Pull the waves of fell orcs first. Avoid the green or face the worst. Interrupt the ads, control the room. Spread for safety, survive the gloom. Watch the levers, trigger the fight. Broguk falls under our might. Step with caution, coordinate your mind. Heal through burst, keep your party inside. Debuffs cleared, positioning tight. Through furnace holes, we'll win this fight. We'll win this fight. Five Shadow Moon channelers block the way. CC and burst, don't let the bolt stay. Mark of Shadow, remove it fast. Debuffs gone or the fight won't last. The Calidan steps, the warlocks fall. Shadow bolt volley hits one and all. Tank him away, keep the party clear. Closer, come closer and burn you here. Run from the fire, don't hesitate. Burning Nova waits for those too late. Position right, heal through the pain. Shadow and fire, survive the